using a marker and compressed air as one would layout fluid. Coaxial indicators are great for checking alignment. Here we're setting up a tooling block on a lathe. There are a lot of ways to measure a keyway, some more accurate than others. What's your favorite? High feed mills are one of the best ways to tackle material that is hard on tooling. Split sleeves are great for boring bars, as they help decrease vibrations through more surface contact than just using set screws. Hydraulic clamping is best, but a sleeve like this is a close second. ER collet extensions are handy. This one has very good clearance for working next to the chuck. There exists something called the 10-to-1 rule, that a measuring instrument should be 10 times more accurate than the tolerance being measured. This Quantum-Mic is one of the most affordable tools for splitting tens. It's possible for a part to run true at the chuck and run out some distance further away, and vice versa. It's a good practice to check both ends when indicating a part. Relieving the corner of soft jaws ensures the part will seat properly.